I am Panjavarnam, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Ottanjitram. Today I talk about clinical chemistry is one part of blood cells. The first one, introduction of blood. The blood is composed of 55% of plasma and 45% of cellular elements. They included RBC, WBC, and platelets. That means RBC is red blood cells, white BC means white blood cells, and platelets. The blood is physical properties, color, pH level, and viscosities. The color is red color due to means hemoglobin in RBC. pH level is 7.3 to 7.4. Viscosity 5 times as water causes resistance of flow. The next one, blood composition. The blood is composed of plasma and blood cells. Hemocrit, withdraw one plate of blood cells is centrifuge is two portions, plasma and buffycols. The blood is normal level is male candidate 40 to 50 percentage and female people 37 to 48 percentage and newborn baby 55 percentage. The next one, what does your blood type means? The four types of blood types. First one, blood type of A, and the second one, blood type of B, third one, blood type of AB, and the blood type of O. The first A and B is antigens, and AB and O universal recipient and universal donor. The different blood types have different surface protein on their red blood cells. The next one, plasma. Plasma means liquid portions of blood, 55% of total blood volume, 90% of water, remaining contains dissolved proteins, glucose, clotting factors, mineral ions, and hormones. The plasma is 50%, white blood cells and platelets less than 1% and red blood cells 45%. The next one, the blood plasma is the fluid is about 90% of water and contains over 100 different chemicals. Acids from nutrient based and electrolytes. Plasma also hold three important proteins. First one albumin, second one globin, third one fibrogens. The albumin prevent water from diffusing out into the disease. Globin, antibodies and proteins that carry lipids, iron and copper. Fibrogen, this is involved from forming blood clots. The next one, blood is composition for four types. Plasma, platelets, white blood cells and red blood cells. Plasma, it contains fluid, gives volume, contains antibodies. Platelets helps in clotting of blood. White blood cells used in defense against foreign invaders. The red blood cells is carry oxygen. Next one, blood contains plasma 90% of water, 10% of dissolved gases, salt, nutrients, enzymes, hormones, and waste. Contain red blood cells, also called erythrocytes. Carry oxygen with the protein of hemoglobin. The picture is red blood cells, platelets, white blood cells, and plasma blood vessels. The picture is anemia of red blood cells, sickle cell anemia. The structure, the two structure is first one cross section of RBC, normal hemoglobin. The cross section of sickle cell is abnormal hemoglobin from standard that has sickle safe. The next one, blood types, type of blood, and you can give and you can receive. A plus, O plus, B plus, AB plus, A minus, O minus, B minus, AB minus. The A plus is you can give, A plus, AB plus. You can receive A plus, A minus, O plus, O minus. And blood type of O plus, you can give O plus, A plus, B plus, AB plus. You can receive blood from O plus, O minus. Blood type of B plus, you can give P plus AB plus. You can receive B plus P minus O plus O minus. Blood type of AB plus, you can give AB plus you can receive everyone, all the bloods. Type of A minus, you can give A plus A minus AB plus AB minus. You can receive A minus O minus. Blood type of O minus, you can give everyone. You can receive only O minus. Blood type of B minus, you can give P plus P minus A P plus AB minus. You can receive B minus O minus. Blood type of AB minus, you can give A plus A minus. You can receive A minus A AB minus B minus O minus. That's also is blood types. The blood pH level is normal pH 7.34 to 7.38. The acidosis is 7 it lower and 6 is death conditions. The pH level is higher than alkalosis for 7.8. The death conditions is level is 9. It is vitally important to maintain the body acid alkaline balance at the correct pH level to enjoy good health and avoid degenerative disease. The next one, normal kidney functions. The fluid balance, electrolyte regulations, control acid base balance, waste removal. Hormonal function is erythroproteins, renin, prostaglandins, active vitamins D3. This is normal kidney functions. The next one, albumin and globin ratio. The albumin globin ratio 1.2 to 1.7. It decreases in case of liver disease, kidney disease, and infections. Liver disease as hepatitis, synthesis of albumin. Kidney disease as neurophoresis, loss of albumin. Infections is gamma globin as the defense mechanism.